The Gaggia RI938051 Classic Evo Pro Espresso machine in industrial grey is designed for coffee enthusiasts who demand authentic espresso quality without stepping outside their home. Built with precision Italian craftsmanship and professional-grade components, this espresso machine delivers rich crema, bold flavor, and café-level performance in a compact, durable design. At the heart of the Classic Evo Pro is a commercial-style 58mm portafilter that ensures even extraction and optimal flavor balance. The powerful 15-bar pump pressure works seamlessly with finely ground coffee to produce deep, aromatic espresso shots every time. Whether you prefer a strong morning espresso or a smooth afternoon cappuccino, this machine provides the consistency and control needed to perfect every cup. The professional steam wand allows you to texture milk with precision, creating silky microfoam ideal for lattes, cappuccinos, and flat whites. Unlike entry-level machines, the Classic Evo Pro gives you full control over milk frothing, helping you achieve barista quality results with practice and precision. From creamy foam to velvety steamed milk, this espresso maker transforms your kitchen into a personal coffee bar. Temperature stability is a key feature of this espresso machine. Its optimized heating system maintains consistent brewing temperatures to ensure proper extraction. Stable temperature control prevents bitter or under-extracted shots, delivering balanced flavor and rich body in every espresso pull. The three-way solenoid valve relieves pressure after brewing, leaving a dry coffee puck for easy cleanup and mess-free maintenance. Durability meets elegance in the industrial grey finish. The solid housing construction is built for longevity while adding a sleek, modern aesthetic to your countertop. Compact yet powerful, the Gaggia Classic Evo Pro fits comfortably in small kitchens, apartments, or dedicated coffee stations without compromising performance. This machine is ideal for home baristas who want to experiment with grind size, tamping pressure, and extraction time. It supports pre-ground espresso and fine specialty coffee blends, allowing you to customize flavor profiles to your liking. From dark roasts with bold intensity to lighter roasts with bright acidity, the Classic Evo Pro highlights the nuanced flavors of your favorite beans. Cleaning and maintenance are straightforward thanks to its accessible design and removable water reservoir. Regular upkeep ensures long-term reliability and consistent performance. Built to handle daily brewing, this espresso machine offers professional results without the complexity of commercial cafe equipment. If you're serious about elevating your coffee experience, the Gaggia Classic Evo Pro Espresso machine delivers the power, control, and craftsmanship needed to create exceptional espresso drinks at home. Experience cafe-quality beverages, refined design, and dependable performance in one premium espresso machine.